Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This video you will learn on how you can add affiliate links to GoDaddy website. So as you can see, I have two tabs. So this is the GoDaddy website, and on the other tab is my Timo affiliate account. Okay, so we'll be using our Timo affiliate account to add the links to our GoDaddy website. So first is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to search for godaddy.com. Okay, so you just have to log into your account, and then if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to sign up for one. That's right. Then after that, you just have to tap on your profile at the top right of your screen. Okay, after that, tap on the My Products option. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds after that. Okay, so you'd be able to see here all of your products. So you just have to choose your product. Okay, order websites. I'm just going to use this one. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Then right here at the right side of our screen, you have the edit site option. So you just have to tap on it. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds again. So right here, what we are going to do is to add a new section, or it depends on you if you want to create a new page or go to an existing page. So for example, for our shop, okay, so for this one, I'm just going to create a new page. Okay, so for the new page, as you can see, we need to upgrade our plan in order for us to create a new one. So I'm just going to use this shop option. So I'm just going to change the name for this one. Okay, so I'm just going to name that shop here. That's right, and then tap on done. Okay, so right here, what I am going to do is to add a section where we can add our affiliate links. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to add a new section. Okay, and then after that, I'm just going to select the image gallery. Okay, and I'm going to use the photo gallery. That's right, and then you just have to choose your template. So for the affiliate links, I believe that this one is the most effective, so I'm going to use this template. Okay, so once you have added this section, of course we have to customize the elements that we can find here. Okay, so I'm just going to name this one, choose your product. Choose your product. Okay, so you can add your header, so it depends on you what kind of header do you want to add here. And then we are going to start from here. So you just have to tap on the image, and then right here you just have to scroll down, then you have this add link option. So all you have to do is to toggle the switch on for this one. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then you'll be able to see here now the settings. So we are going to choose link to website URL, and then we are going to paste here the website URL for this one. So of course we have to go back here to our Timo affiliate account, and then you just have to choose the product that you want to share. But of course you also need to download the image for this product. Okay, for example, this one. So I am going to save this image. So yeah, you just have to choose your file and then tap on the save option. So once you have that, go back here. Okay, so let me just copy the link for this one. Okay, so let me just go back here and then tap on the share option and then tap on the copy link. That's right, and then go back to GoDaddy. Then you have to paste here the link. That's right, and then for the image we have to change it. So tap on the change image and then tap on the add images option, and then you just have to choose the image that you want to use. Okay, so this type is not supported, so we will need to have an alternative. So I'm going to use the snipping tool for this one. So it depends on you and how you are going to, get the image for this product. So for example, I'm just going to take a screenshot for this product. Okay, and then I'm just going to save it right here. Okay, and then tap on the save option. So once you have it, you just have to go here. That's right. And then again, tap on the add image option. And then you just have to choose your image. That's right. So select the screenshot. And then once the image is ready, you'd be able to see this option right here. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds after that. And once the image is ready, then you just have to save it. Okay, so let me just tap on the insert option. So you have the insert option right here. So tap on the insert. That's right, and then be able to see this image right here. So we already added the image. Then if you would like to add a description for this one, then you just have to go back here, and then we just have to copy this description. That's right, and then you have to paste it right here. Okay, so the word is too much, so I'm just going to remove some. Okay, so after that, you can also add this one to the caption. So for the image description, so I'm just going to add this one right here, and then add here the full description or caption for this one. Okay, and then once you are done, you just have to try this if the link is working. So make sure to tap on the done option. So let us preview this product if this one is clickable. Okay, so when you scroll down, so when someone visits your website, you'll be able to see here the description. And then when you tap on it, as you can see, the mouse icon changed. It means that this image is clickable. So when someone tap on it, so another tab will open and they would be directed to the product page. So since we have used our Timo affiliate link, so when someone purchase this product using our affiliate link, of course, we will get our commission. Okay, so it depends of what kind of platform do you use for your affiliate account. So if you have an Amazon, SiteStripe, Shopee, or any kind of e-commerce platform, then you're good to go as long as you are using your own affiliate link. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.